I can see the screen which shows the IPL match as well. Yes, that is another advantage of Bengaluru Airport. I can see Taj also here. Taj Bangalore.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is going to be a very interesting session. I'm on vacation and I am in Bangalore. So guys, I just thought of coming up with something different so that you also enjoy with me. I can enjoy my vacation and you also can enjoy with me and we all can learn something new with each other. So guys, today I'm going to start off with a new series which is called Learn to Speak in English Vlog Style. Yes. So what are the rules? I'm going to explain it to you. So wherever I'll go, whether it is an airport or a cafe or a grocery store or a mall or a park or anywhere else, wherever I'll go, I'll take you along with me and I'll tell you how to describe that place in English. Sounds interesting? Yes. I'm also very much excited to bring this to you and I'm sure you learn a lot from it. So basically the concept is I'll try to share things that what you can talk about, about the location where you are in. It's not necessary that you have to be at a big restaurant or a big hotel or a big food court or any specific place to describe or talk about in English. It's just that if you are at a place in your home or a balcony or a park or you're walking around somewhere, you're relaxing somewhere, you can just talk about for 5, 7, 10 minutes in English about that place, right? So it's very easy, guys. I will help you out with that. That is why I've come up with this vlog series. I'm going to explain you how you can talk about those places in English, and it's really going to be a very interactive, very entertaining and very refreshing sessions. Trust me on this. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently, and that is for sure. Trust me on this. You have to just take out 10 minutes every day and speak in English on whatever topics you have, whatever topics you can talk about. I have a long list of conversation series wherein I pick up basic general conversation topics about your experience, any incident which has happened to you, any festival or any occasion or any event you have attended, or you have visited any place or anything else. So you can talk about those, you can talk about the place where you are and you can describe that. So you have n number of things you can do to learn to speak English fluently and confidently and in no time. That is what my goal or aim is to help you with. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, press the notification icon and do like, share and comment on my videos. So guys, today I'm in Bangalore and I have shot a vlog on the airport. So basically what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to explain you the vocabulary of the airport, like when you are in an airport, what all things are there which you need to know about. And I'm going to just give a description of the place where I have been. Okay, like the parking lot or the arrivals or the food court or anywhere else around the airport where I was able to take the clips. I took the clips and I spoke about it in my video. So you can just listen to it, start analyzing it, start getting an idea of how to speak about it, how you can describe that place and start doing that. Start shadowing with me, start repeating after me, speak with me, or you can take that idea, come up with your own script and start speaking on it for 10 minutes every day in English. This is really going to help you guys because these are real life situations where I put you in. So whenever you go to any place, you can talk about that place very easily if you get into practice of doing this, right? So it will be very helpful for you for sure. So guys, it will be easy for you if I explain it a bit. Okay. So at the airport, when we go, the first thing is there are terminals at the airport. There are domestic terminals and international terminals. So if you're traveling local or within the country, you have to go to the domestic terminal, or if you're flying abroad, you can go to the international. So there are entry gates. You have to check which airline, you have your ticket is booked and you can get into through that gate. There's a security person who will check your ID card and the ticket, and then you'll go inside. You can take the luggage trolley also. You can dump your luggage there, and you can take your luggage along with you in the trolley. That will be convenient. Once you go inside, you have to go to the baggage counter and you have to get the baggage scanned, and then you can go to the check-in counter. Whichever flight you're taking, like Indigo or Air India or any other flight, whichever you're taking, you have to go to that counter. You will get the boarding pass from there. Boarding pass is the air ticket. You will get the seat number there. So you have to collect that ticket. You have to give your baggage. So there's a check-in baggage. You don't want to carry that baggage along with you. You have to give that at the check-in counter, and you can give it there, and they will weigh it and they will take it to the aircraft. So it's their responsibility now. And whatever hand baggage you have, you can take it to the cabin when you will go and sit in the aircraft. Okay, so that is a check-in counter, and you have checked in, you got the boarding pass. Then you'll get the gate number where you have to go and sit. Then you can walk to the gate number, and there are sitting arrangements. You can go and sit there. There are tea, coffee, a lot of eateries and counters or food courts there. You can grab a bite. If you're hungry, you can eat something, sit down, relax. The next process is the boarding process. The boarding process is you have to board the flight. So there will be a queue. Then they will check the tickets, and you will one by one, you all have to go in the aircraft and you have to sit there. When you get seated in the aircraft, then of course the aircraft will take off. And once they start reaching the destination, the flight will be landing. Okay, so the next step is when the flight will start landing, it's called landing. So the flight will land, and then you have to come out of the aircraft. And then if you have to collect your baggage from any of the belts, they will tell you which belt it is available, your baggage is available. You have to go there, you have to collect your baggage, and then you have to exit from the exit gate. And once you exit from that, you will exit from the arrival gate. Because you have arrived to your destination, so that is why it is called the arrival gate. Okay, and when you started from the place, from the airport where you have started, you will enter through departure terminal. Okay, you will start from departure. You will enter through departure, and you will exit through arrival once you have arrived at your destination. So these are the basic vocabularies which are used at the airport. And of course, there are a lot of things which I'll be discussing in my videos. There are a lot of clips which I've taken and I have spoken about it. Go watch it. I hope you'll enjoy. Give me your comments in the comment section so that if you like it, I'll come up with more, or else I'll try to find something else, some other way. And I am sure you'll enjoy that for sure.
Hey guys, guess what? I am at Bengaluru airport, and today I'm going to talk to you in English, or rather speak in English about the airport. Well, you all should know how we can describe an airport. So today I just thought of, like, I'm on vacation right now, and I have just landed at Bengaluru, and I just thought of coming up with a vlog style English speaking so that it's easier for you to start speaking in English at wherever place you are in. And you can just start describing the place, you can start describing the food, you can start describing anything and everything in English. Bangalore airport is huge, it's beautiful. I am loving this place, and the weather is also quite good here. Okay, so coming to the vocabulary part, as you have seen, I am focusing on arrivals. So I've just arrived at the airport and I just came out from the arrival. And the other one is departure. So when I boarded the flight from the airport, I went inside the airport from the departure. So I have to get in from the departure and get out from arrivals. These are the two things which is very frequently used in describing an airport. So as you can see, you can find ATMs, you can find a lot of other, hotel facilities, hotel counters also where you can do bookings. and you can find a lot of cab and taxi outlets as well. Apart from the eateries, you can find a lot of things which are available to make your life easier. Of course, this is the Ola and Uber stand. You can see a lot of trolleys where people keep their luggage on the trolley. So this it's called a luggage trolley. So you can pick up the trolleys and you can, dump your luggage there. And of course, it's easier for you. Your luggage is also taken care of. So guys, there are lots of food stalls outside the airport, and inside also you'll find a lot of food courts and eateries. But outside also they have a lot of things which are available. If you are hungry, you can just grab a bite. You can eat, sit down, eat and relax. And of course, the weather is also very good, so you can just grab a cup of tea or coffee, and you can enjoy at the airport as well. I want to show you some beautiful things, and it's so beautiful. I'm quite mesmerized by these things. It looks so beautiful, and no doubt Bangalore airport is really one of the best I have visited till date. You can see a lot of cars also. So they are all coming here. This is drop point. I can see the screen which shows the IPL match as well. Yes, that is another advantage of Bengaluru airport. So, the IPL match is also displayed on screen here. So you can see a lot of eateries here as well. So there's a bus stop also very close by. It's just at the airport, guys. It's so convenient that we can use the bus services as well. This is the way to the parking. So we are going from here to the parking. It's a little long. We have to walk a little. But then I think, this is quite a good place to take a walk. So of course, it looks beautiful. And when you come at Bangalore airport, you will get to walk also. So you don't have to worry about your exercising. You can eat at the food court and then you can start walking to the parking or any other area. Like if you can take a bus or if you want to take a cab, there are lots of other spaces where there's particular parking areas for the cab or the bus, different parking areas. So you can take a little walk and then you can reach there. I can see Taj also here, Taj Bangalore. And you can see the road as well from here. See, people are cleaning as well. This place is quite clean and I like the cleanliness here. It's quite clean. I'm very much happy with this place.
So guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video. I am sure this is really going to help you a lot. The main idea of doing this is just to make sure that whenever you are at a place, you can just start speaking in English about that place. If not at the place itself, you can come back to your home and you can just recall what all you saw there and you can start speaking in English about it. Right? Every single day you do something or the other, you go somewhere or the other, right? So it's not a big challenge for any one of us right now. So we can just talk about that place or that thing which we have attended. We can just talk about it for 10 minutes every day in English. And it's definitely going to improve your English without any efforts. Trust me on this. See you. Bye-bye.